Friday, December 1st, 2023. Focus: Heaven and earth will pass away, but my words will not pass away. Doubts plus us. When is the second coming of Jesus? When will the world end? Predications can drive us to destruction. That God does not give us a date even for our own passing seems to indicate that He does not want it known beforehand. We need to trust Him, using Jesus' teachings to live and make sense of the present. What Jesus says in today's Gospel seems directed at the Jews of His own generation about future events in Jerusalem. This actually did take place some 70 years later. For us today, the more important message is that God's word will never be outdated. How can the words of Jesus be signified for us? They can be seen as a call to live in a constant attitude of expectations. Jesus is surely coming, and He is worth waiting for and living for. However, what counts now is where we are what Father Jean-Pierre de Cuisets calls the sacrament of the present moment. The coming of Jesus can be seen here and now too, as God is active in the moments of our personal histories. The simplest duties of daily life have sacramental significance. Father Cuisets assures us obedience to these duties constitutes the path to holiness. Fruit. As I wonder about my eternal destiny, may I remember that what God ordains for me is holiness and that Jesus walks with me.